I've unboxed a lot of things on this channel. Stuff that I love, sneakers that I love, a lot of expensive sneakers as well. But today I think we might actually have the most expensive unboxing I've ever done on this channel. I could be wrong about that, but it's definitely the most expensive single item that I've bought that I've unboxed here, I think. Not only that, but it's also been something that I've wanted for a while, and with my wedding coming up, it just made sense. Now was the time to do it, so I pulled the trigger. But before we actually figure out what it is, I want to give a huge thank you to the sponsor of today's video, Jomashop.com. Jomashop is a retailer based out of Brooklyn, New York, known for their insane watch collection and carrying other awesome designer goods. Jomashop.com carries over 650 brands and 70,000 items. Recently, they actually added some new designer brands to their arsenal like Gucci, Burberry, and Moncler. But the reason that I personally love Jomashop.com is for their absolutely insane watch collection. Whatever kind of watch you're looking for, they have. Whether it's a $50 G-Shock or a $1 million AP, they've got it all. They also have a pretty solid pre-owned section as well, where you can find a lot of great brands from Rolex to Omega and more. And of course, the reason today's video is at all possible is because of Jomashop.com, because that's actually where I picked up the thing that we're going to be unboxing. So why don't I stop teasing you guys and show you the thing that I've been so excited about for weeks now. And it's finally here, and I can't believe it. I'm stoked. Inside this box is a thing that usually retails between $5 grand and $10 grand. I didn't pay that much for it because I actually got it pre-owned, so I got a great deal on it. But I mean, I can't believe I actually have it. That's sort of what I'm getting at. Of course, the monetary value is not the reason that I'm excited about this thing. I'm excited about it because of how it looks, because of what it is, and how well it's made. And I'm just so excited to see it in person. So let's stop wasting your time and pull this guy out. And stop wasting my time too. I haven't seen it yet, so let's pop this guy out of the box. I can't believe this is real. This is crazy. You see that logo? You know what that is? That's fire is what that is. Holy crap, I can't believe I'm actually holding this box. This is real. This is not a drill. This is real. Oh man, okay. Let's pop this open. Oh, okay. This is the serial number, the style number, and also the warranty information. So I'm not going to show you guys that. That's not necessary for you guys to see, but because it is a pre-owned watch, there is some also personal information for the person who actually bought the watch originally. So I'm not going to show you guys this, but if you look at the back of this card, you can see what brand it is if you didn't already know from the box. I got a Rolex, boys. I got a Rolex. Okay. I can't believe this is real. Here we go. Let's do it. Check that out. Look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, let's pull this box out. Oh, man. Actually, this box is dope. You've got this really nice sort of textured finish on the top. Kind of looks like ripples in a sheet or something. I don't know what they're trying to imitate with that, but it's nice. I like it. And then, of course, you've got this beautiful gold Rolex crown at the bottom. Should I open it first and check it out and then show you guys? I think I will. I think I will. Here goes. Look at that. Look at that beautiful, beautiful piece of technology. That beautiful piece of wrist candy. Okay, let's pull this out. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, so to give you guys some background on this watch, this is the Rolex Oyster Perpetual 34. It's a 34mm watch. It's from 2012. It's pre-owned, like I said, and Jomashop does primarily sell new watches, but they do also have a great pre-owned section. They specifically labeled the pre-owned ones pre-owned, so every other watch is new, of course. But I got a great deal on this because it was pre-owned. And it's the exact watch that I wanted, and I can't believe it. So to some people, the Oyster Perpetual is kind of the beginner Rolex. It's obviously one of the cheapest Rolexes you can buy. It's not cheap, but it's one of the, I guess, the least expensive Rolexes that you can buy. But the reason that I like this watch so much is because of how simple it is, how clean it is, and the fact that it fits my tiny wrists. I have the smallest wrists in the world. I don't know what's going on with them, but I needed something small, and this was the perfect size. I'm gonna stop wasting time. I'm gonna try this guy on. Here we go. Oh man, look at this. This is crazy. This is crazy. Look at that. My dog decided to leave the room while I was filming. That's why I should close the door. Oh man, this is crazy. I feel like I should be wearing a suit right now and on Wall Street. This is nuts. This is not really a rapper watch, if that's what you're looking for. Rapper watches are much more expensive and covered in gems. This is not, because I think that's stupid. So, I really love this watch. I think it's gorgeous. I'm just blown away by it. I have to keep looking at it. So one of the main reasons that I love this watch so much is because it's got a blue dial. Blue is one of my favorite colors. I'm wearing a blue tux at my wedding. This is obviously going to be my wedding watch. And the color is just beautiful. Beautiful on this watch. This watch has luminous silver tone hands, which I think accent the blue beautifully. It's also got these Arabic numbers on the 3, 6, and 9, and of course the Rolex crown on the 12, which I think is incredible. Just the detail on this watch is insane. I mean, you'd hope it would be because you spent so much money on it, but it really is. It's beautiful. The case size, as I mentioned before, is 34 millimeters. It's definitely one of the smaller case sizes, but again, it fits my wrist better this way. If I'd got a 39, it would have been too big. And as a watch that I'd like to wear every day, or as much as possible, I'd like a watch that would blend into what I'm wearing and sort of be there, but very subtle about being there. You've got a solid case back and a screw down crown with the Rolex logo on it, which I think looks incredible. I never thought I would have a Rolex, and honestly, if it wasn't for my wedding, I wouldn't be able to justify it, but this watch is just, oh man, one of my favorite things that I own. This is so sick. I can't get over it. So the reason this watch has perpetual in its name is because it charges off perpetual motion, which means when you're swinging your arm, it's actually charging up, which of course is a good thing. And it's also got this beautiful stainless steel tone bezel, which just really shines. It's amazing. I love this watch, man. This is crazy. If you would like to check out Jomashop.com and grab a watch for yourself, maybe not a Rolex, maybe a dope Citizen, or even, you know, $1 million AP, make sure to check out that link in the description below. I would love to know your thoughts on this watch and just watches in general, and whether you like them, whether you collect them, so let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.